Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to rebirth in Plant vs Brainrot game on Roblox and what will happen after rebirthing. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have already joined the game and you need to rebirth if you want to use machine on the center island, and if you want to rebirth you just need to click on the rebirth feature. And these are the rebirth requirements. You will need brainrots and also money, and this is my third rebirth, so I need 100 million money or cash. And I'm going to let me evaporate my brainrots first because I have kept them so it can't be sold accidentally. Okay, these are the brainrots that I need to rebirth, and I'm going to go back to the rebirth menu and I'm going to click on the rebirth button. Okay, and you will get this question and just click on yes, and you will lose all your money after rebirthing, and you can unlock all these rewards as well. You will get luck, money, and stronger bat, and also the card pack. And don't worry guys, because you won't lose your brainrots or your plants. As you can see that my plants are still here and my brainrot as well. So you will only lose your money and the required brainrots. Okay guys, and that's how we can rebirth in Plant vs Brainrot. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video guys.